folks, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you haven't been before. My name's Watto and I wander about. That's Kim. Say hello, Kim.
Hello, Kim.
That's Kim, she wanders about as well. Today we're going to wander around Stratford upon Avon. We'll take you with us.
In front of us, you can see the Royal Shakespeare Company Theatre. It's one of the world's most famous theatres, and by most actors it is considered an honour to play there. The house you can see opposite is Shakespeare's new place. This was his family home from 1597 till he died in 1616. Unfortunately, when we visited, it was closed for the winter. We were, however, lucky enough to see inside the Guild Chapel.
We've just come out of the building behind us, which is the Guild Hall and the school where the man himself, the bard, Shakespeare, went to school. We had a nice tour and learnt a bit about what school life was like back then. Very interesting, wasn't it? Very good. Kim did a nice little bit of calligraphy, so we're going to show you that now.
This was a very interesting place to visit. Got to attend this class in the schoolroom that Shakespeare himself would have attended. And I think I looked pretty good in the maester's chair waiting to dish out punishment with the birch to any naughty boys. This table has the names of the school prefects scribed into it, dating way back throughout the life of the school. And of course, being the artistic one in the family, Kim left her mark with some calligraphy using a quill pen.
This is the Gower Monument, very famous monument in Stratford. I can relate to this guy. He looks like he likes a little tipple. Good lad. Looks like Kim's found Lady Macbeth. Right, well, we've just decided to sit and get a bit of lunch on a bench surrounded by geese and pigeons instead of hordes, and literally hordes of people. As you can gather, I'm not really patient when it comes to crowds. So Scott, you know who you are. I'm with you there, brother. Stratford upon Avon. You do need more time, really. We haven't had much time, to be fair, to go around it. I think you need a good bit of time to do each bit each day. But anyway, we showed you a little glimpse. We did enjoy the school. We learnt what it was like to be a child back in the day.
1500s.
1500s. Yeah. Where only boys were educated, not girls.
No.
All in all, pretty good. Enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit the like button, subscribe if you can. We'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, Kim.
Goodbye, Kim.
Goodbye, Kim.